What are the benefits of using ICT in the classroom? In this video, I will show you my top benefits that I see will make the biggest impact through the successful integration of ICT in your classroom today. Let's go through them now. E-learning or online learning is one of the best things that has come out of using ICT. The presence of ICT in education allows for new ways of learning for students and teachers. ICT also brings inclusion. Students with special needs are no longer at a disadvantage as they have access to essential material and special ICT tools that can be used by students to make use of ICT for their own educational needs. ICT also promotes higher order thinking skills. And this is one of the key skills for the 21st century, which includes evaluating, planning, monitoring, and reflecting, to name a few. ICT also enhances subject learning. It is well known that the use of ICT in education adds a lot of value to key learning areas, like literacy and numeracy, for example. One of the key things that you'll find throughout all my online courses is that the use of ICT also develops the 21st century skill, ICT capability. Both ICT capability and ICT literacy are 21st century skills that are best developed whilst ICT remains transparent in the background of subject learning. ICT also encourages collaboration. It naturally brings children together where they can talk and discuss what they are doing for the work, and this in turn opens up avenues for communication, thus leading to language development. ICT in education also improves engagement and knowledge retention. When ICT is integrated into lessons, students become more engaged in their work. This is because technology provides different opportunities to make it more fun and enjoyable in terms of teaching the same thing in different ways. ICT also allows for effective differentiation instruction with technology. We all learn differently at different rates and in styles, and technology provides opportunities for all this to occur. The use of ICT in the classroom is a great source of motivation for students. Society's demands for new technology has not left our children and their needs. Children are fascinated with technology, and it encourages and motivates them to learn in the classroom. And ICT integration is a key part of the national curriculum. For example, the Australian curriculum. If your curriculum also has ICT as an integral part of it, then it's also a key part of your curriculum as well. And this is a trend that many global governments are taking up as they begin to see the significance of ICT in education. So these are my top 10 benefits of ICT in education, which I believe will help inspire any colleague to take up the use of ICT in their classroom and to furthermore make an impact on student learning through the successful integration of ICT in their classroom today.